Good morning. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, sorting materials into groups. Lesson number 4, chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. So in this chapter we will learn properties of materials and grouping of materials. Okay, so let's start the chapter. There are many things that you see around. All these things are different to look at. They are of different color and shapes. There are also different properties. Have you ever wondered what these things are made of? They are made up of different kind of materials: glass, plastic, steel, ceramic, wood, clay, and paper are the materials used to make useful things. Okay. Now see, when you see around, you will see different object. Okay, you can see here. Right now I am here in the class, and you can see chair is there, bag is there. Okay, desk is there, fan, tube light. Okay, I can see some charts. Now all these things which I can see around me, they are made up of different materials. Either they are made up of glass, or they are made up from plastic, or wood, or paper. Okay. Example: this chair is there. This chair, it is made up from plastic. Paper, the book, made from paper. Chair is there. This chair is there. This chair is made from wood. Duster, made from wood. Okay. So all the things which you see around you, they are either made up of glass or wood, paper, and any other materials. Okay. See the mobile. Okay, you can see the screen. So this screen is made up from glass. Okay. Now different kind of material. What are the different kind of material? You already know that different objects are made up from different kind of materials. On the other hand, an object can be made from different kind of materials. Plates, for example, are made up from wood, glass, steel, paper, plastic, and ceramic. Okay. Now it is not like that if any object is there, they are made up of only one particular material. There are chances that that object may be made from different kind of materials. Example: plate is there. Okay, plate. So that plate, that may be made from paper also, that may be made from glass, plastic. Okay, plastic, steel, even wood also. Okay, so here object is one only, plate. Plate is there. Okay, plate is there. But this plate, they are made from wood, plastic, glass, paper. Okay. So the chances of making plate, here are 4 chances are there. that you can make the plate from wood, from plastic, glass, paper, okay, and one more steel. Steel. Okay. Let's go ahead.